Hi everyone, today we have the software called Laxis and this is the best AI Copilot for meetings and sales. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to access Laxis extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Make sure to check that out. Jumping straight onto the platform, you will be able to realize we have multiple controls for AI co-piloting in meetings, since this is most used for meeting scheduling and all that stuff. So you can see we have some sample sales calls meeting already scheduled in here. Let's just click on that and see what it has to offer. So on the right side, you can see it has recorded all of the transcripts and we have memos in here. So whoever was in the call, everything is basically recorded and summarized. You have Laxis chat, so you can use this AI model to chat through all of the conversation or transcript that has been done. You have your AI writer. Now you can see the summary basically for the call with timestamps. So really amazing features. If you want to simply add in something new, you can record or upload a new meeting. You can join. You have your conversations. So here you will be all the conversations, like for example for the sales call, as I showed you already. You have your channels, memo templates. So if you want to do that and get a head start using your memos and templates, you can do that. We have your sales calls, UX interview, and whatever you would like to create on. In the inside will be represented a report of activity on the platform. Settings allow you to customize your profile, maybe upgrade it to most suitable plan. So you can see the basic, premium with 13.33 price point, business, and enterprise. So all have different type of features and perks. Finally, they also have this referral program where you can share it with your friends and earn some rewards. So talking about its reviews, you will be able to realize it has some really nice reputation, great note taker, summarizer, and overall meeting helper. Amazing transcript. So make sure to give a try using the link in the description and you will be getting extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.